Hi, let's today solve a simultaneous equation. This is the simultaneous equation which we are going to solve. It is 2x minus 3y is equal to 16. The other equation is x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now we have to find the value of x and y in this from these two equations, given equations. There are so many ways. Let me teach you a simple way. See, first we have to eliminate either x or y to find out one value. If you find out one value, you can substitute that and find the other value. Suppose you find out x, it will be easy to find out y. If you find out y, you can easily find out x. Now, if you want to find out y or x, we have to eliminate either of these, either x or y. In this given problem, it will be easy if to eliminate x, because this is just 1x and this is 2x. Suppose if you want to eliminate y, this is 3y and 2y, you have to multiply this by 2 and this equation by 3, all this is there. So what we can do is, first we shall name this equation as this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now let us multiply equation 2 by which by what number you mean, because you want the same number so that we can subtract and eliminate it. So let the coefficient, this is called as a coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of y. The coefficient of x should also be 2 here. So what should you do? You should multiply it by the number 2. Okay, so 1x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. The whole thing you multiply it by 2. So first 2 into 1x is what? 2x. 2 into 2y, 4y. And what is 2 into minus 6? It is minus 12. So now the new equation which we have arrived at is, for equation 2 is 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. Now what do? We name this as equation 2. So let us forget about this equation for the time being. Now let us rewrite both the equations 1 and 2. So let us rub all this. We have got 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. Rewriting the equations. What is the new equation we have arrived at is 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. Okay, now this is the second equation. Now subtract these two equations. Let us subtract. So this is, put a minus sign. Now what happens? The sign changes when you subtract one equation from the other equation. Already it was plus. Now it had turned into minus. This plus had turned into minus. And this minus had turned into plus. Okay. 2x minus 2x, you cancel it. Now minus 3y and minus 4y, we always know we have to add if they have the same sign. So it is minus 7y. And what is this? Plus 28. Now can we find the value of y from this? So y is equal to 28 divided by minus 7. What is the answer now? It should be minus 4. Don't forget about the sign. So y you have found out as minus 4. Now can we substitute y here and find out the value of x? How to find out the value of x? We have to substitute the value of y in either of the equations, either in this or this. Let me take the first equation. 2x I don't have a place, so let me rub it off where to write. Okay, I'll write it here. 2x minus 3y, 3 into minus 4 is equal to what? 16. So what is, can you expand this? 2x minus 3 into minus 4 is what? Plus 12. Minus into minus is 12. So what is this? Is 16. So 2x is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. And what is x now? 4 by 2. This 2 multiplication becomes a division. It's equal to 2. So the answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 4. This is the answer. Hope you got this problem. Let me come with another simultaneous equation in my next video. Thank you and keep subscribing and following me. Okay, bye.